Okay, now Salman, your doubt would also be cleared. Where you were confused, right? That minus sign, an odd power and even power. Here we'll apply it. See, minus 4 raised to the power 3. But see, this means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Okay, what do we do simply? Multiply 4 with itself 3 times. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So this is 64. Now, see, power is odd or even here?
Odd.
Odd. So we will keep the minus sign. Okay. Now don't get confused. What you were doing was, bache, we only do this when there is a minus sign here. Okay. When there is a minus sign here, we check the power is odd or even. If the minus sign is not there, do it simply. I'll give you the example. If I have 4 raised to the power 3, this simply is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. We don't need to check odd power, even power. But if there is minus sign in the number, then we need to check whether power is odd or even. If the power is odd, we are going to put the minus sign. If the power is even, we are not going to put the minus sign. Got it? In the final answer.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes, Salman?
if there is like minus 4 raised to the power 2, then what will?
Yeah. Good question. Minus 4 raised to the power 2. 4 4 is? Salman, 4 into 4 is
16.
16. Now minus sign is there. Check the power. Odd or even?
Even.
Even. So will we put the minus sign?
Uh, no.
No. 16 is the answer. Clear? How do we
Yes,
do
sir.
it?
Yes,
Sir
sir.
Abdul Rahman, what about you? Got it?
It's clear, sir.
Okay, great. Guys, write this down quickly and then try the second part. I'm writing it down. Second part. Minus 3 into minus 2 raised to the power 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 raised to the power 3. And uh, okay, guys, after this, try this. Okay, right now, write this and then try this part.
Mm. Mm.
Sir, I finished.
Are you done with the question also, the part minus c into 2 raised to the power minus 2 raised to the power 3?
Yes, sir.
Write the answer in the chat box, Salman.
Okay, sir, I will put in the chat box. Sir, I put it.
Yes, Salman, I'm just seeing that only.
Okay, sir.
Correct, Salman. Good. Salman, try the other parts. Minus 3 raised to the power 2. Minus 2 raised to the power 3. 2. Minus 10 raised to the power 3. Salman, try these parts now.
Okay, sir. Sir, I finished the third part.
Salman, keep writing the answers in the chat box, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, I send it the third part.
Uh, Correct, Salman. Correct. Try the last one as well. Abdul Rahman, what about you? Are you not able to do it?
I'm about to finish, so just one moment.
Okay.
Sir, I finished the fourth part also.
Speak out the answer.
Sir, minus 8,000.
Minus 8,000. It is 8,000, not minus. It is not minus, it is plus 8,000.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
I also
So,
got minus 8,000.
okay. And what about the third part and the second part?
That one I'm still trying to do, sir. I could not find the answer.
Okay, see. The second one is minus 3. This means minus 3 so as it is into, see, minus 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 raised to the power 3 we do 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and odd power so means minus sign. So minus 8. So now minus 3 into minus 8, very simple. 8 3s are 24 and minus minus is plus. Got it, Abdul Rahman?
Sir, could you explain just one more time?
Sure, sure. See. Abdul Rahman, minus 3 we write as it is. Okay.
Yes.
And minus 2 raised to the power 3. This means that 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 8. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now odd power means minus sign we'll keep here. So minus sign. Now 8 Teresa is 24. So 24 and minus minus is plus. So plus 24. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the second one. Minus 3 raised to the power 2. Someone is written something. Minus 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 into 3. That is 9. And even power, so minus sign will not keep here. Okay, multiplied by 5 square means 5 into 5, so that is 25. And even power, so we won't keep minus sign. Now 25 into 9, that is 225. Okay, Abdul Rahman, got it?
Sir.
The last one, minus 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. And odd power, so we will keep the minus sign, that is minus 8, multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3. I told you how to find out power on 10. Just write the number of zeros. So 3 power, so write 1 and then 3 zeros, 1000. And odd power, so we will keep the minus sign. Now 8 into 1000 is 8000 and minus minus is plus. So plus 8000. Got it? Abdul Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now guys, we are going to move to the second exercise, which is based on laws of exponents and powers. Okay, laws of exponents. See, I have already taught you the laws. You have already there in the notebook. I'll just make you revise them. Guys, the first law was if the bases are same and they are multiplying, so we would add the powers. How come? See, let's say I have 3 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 4. I can see I have a common base 3. So what I will do is I will write the base as common, that is 3, and I will add the powers. This is very important. I have to add the powers. So it would be 5 plus 4, that is 3 raised to the power 9. Got it, guys? Abdul Rahman, Salman?
Yes,
Salman, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second is if I have bases same but they are dividing. So now I will subtract the powers. So if I have 3 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 4, I will take the common base as 3 and I will subtract the power. So 5 minus 4, that is 1. So 3 raised to the power 1. Second one is clear?
yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain once again?
Sure. Salman, if I have 3 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, I have the bases same, that is 3. So I will take the base as common. And since it was dividing, so in this case, I would subtract. So 5 minus 4. Powers would subtract. So 5 minus 4. So that is 3 raised to the power 1. So this is the answer. Okay, Saban?
Sir, why you will subtract?
But you see, we are subtracting because, see, this is just a trick. If I do 3 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. So 3 raised to the power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So now if I cancel out 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, so I'm only left with 3 raised to the power 1. So you can clearly see that this is what we are getting. Okay. This is what we are getting. And instead of doing this full, like 3 raised to the power 5 is actually equal to 243. 3 raised to the power 4 is actually equal to 81. Then if you divide 3 raised to the power 5 by 3 raised to the power 4 means 243 by 81. Eventually, you are going to get 81 ones are and 81 threes are. So eventually you are going to get 3 raised to the power 1 as the answer. Okay, so that is just a trick. That is why that it is known as a law. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, 3 raised to the power 1. Now the next one was power on a power. So let's say I have a power on a power. So 4 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. So in this case, now the powers would multiply. So 3 into 2, that is 6. I'll give you the explanation. Which is 4 raised to the power 3, I can write as 4 into 4 into 4 whole raised to the power 2. So this means that this whole thing multiplied with itself. So 4 into 4 into 4 multiplied with itself means multiplied by 4 into 4 into 4. So eventually, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 4 raised to the power 6. So we have found the shortcut trick to multiply. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is, guys, if the powers are same, so we can take the bases in a bracket and power we can take as common outside. Okay, so 4 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. I can take 4 into 3 whole raised to the power 2. Eventually, it would be 12 raised to the power 2. Okay. Is the fifth formula clear? The fifth law? Or fourth law?
Yes.
Abdul Rahman, what about you? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is, guys, if the powers are same but they are dividing. So in this case, we are going to take the bases in a dividing fraction and then power we are going to take as common. Very simple. So if I have 8 raised to the power 3 divided by 4 raised to the power 3, I'm going to take 8 by 4 whole raised to the power 3. So 4 ones are and 4 twos are 8. So eventually this is 2 raised to the power 3. Got it, guys?
Uh,
Okay, I'll explain again some. 8 raised to the power 3 divided by 4 raised to the power 3. Okay. Saman, I'm going. We can write this as 8 raised to the power 3 divided by 4 raised to the power 3, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
take this as power as common. So 8 by 4, take the power as common. So eventually it will be 4 ones and 4 twos. So 2 raised to the power 3. Now you'll say, sir, how is this possible? But is this possible because this is not 23, this is 2 raised to the power 3 and not 23. I'll tell you how is this possible. I can write this as 8 into 8 into 8, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
can write this as 4 into 4 into 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Eventually, this is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to the power 3. So we are getting the same answer, right? So instead of doing writing this everything fully, we can directly take the power as common and then cancel. Okay?
Yes, sir. But it is a trick, right?
Yeah, it is trick. All of these are tricks. Laws of exponents are tricks. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And this trick would all work every time. The next one is anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so 1 raised to the power 0 is 1. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. This is such a big number raised to the power 0 is 1. Very simple, the easiest law. Okay, the value of it is 1. Guys, the seventh law is if I have minus power in the if I have power in the negative, so how to change it to positive? You reciprocal the number. Okay, reciprocal the number. So if I have 5 raised to the power minus 2, I would reciprocal the number, so it would be 1 by 5. Now the power would become positive. So 1 by 5 raised to the power 2. Is this clear, guys? Just remember this thing. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Guys, you have all these laws written. I hope I made you write them down. Okay, so we are going to move to some questions of these laws. We'll do questions of these and we'll understand how to solve them. Okay. Now they're saying, can you tell which one is greater? 5 square into 3 or 5 whole raised to the power 3? 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3. So example 7 they are saying 5 raised to the power 3 into 2 or 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3. So 5 raised to the power 3 into 2 means this is 3 tha na? No, sorry, 5 raised to the power 2 into 3. So now see, this is 25, 5 raised to the power 2 means 5 into 5 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, so this is 25 into 3, that is 75. This is coming to 75. Here they are asking 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3. Here we apply the law. So this means 5 raised to the powers would multiply. So 2 into 3, that is 5 raised to the power 6. 5 raised to the power 6 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. We can already see this is such a big number. This is 15, 5, 6, 15, 6 to 5. Okay, so first, this one is greater. Got it, guys? Easy?
Sir, can you explain the like 5 raised to the power 2?
Okay, see. 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3. Guys, this is the third law, power on a power. Okay, so whenever we have power on a power, we multiply the powers. So this is 2 into 3. So this is 5 raised to the power 2 into 3 means 5 raised to the power 6. Got it, Salman?
Yes, sir.
Now this means that 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. This is such a big number, you can already see that this is greater than that. So without even solving this, you can write that this one is greater. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, write this down. Abdul Rahman, Salman, write it. Abdul Rahman, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, Abdurrahman, when you're done, let me know.
Sir, can I go to question?
Okay, Salman, go to the question.
Sir, I'm
Okay, Salman. Abdurrahman, are you done?
No, sir.
Okay. Abdul Rahman, done?
No, sir, just one more.
It shouldn't take much time. Okay, so we have example number 8. Express the following terms in the exponential form. Okay, so I'll tell you how to do this. Example 8. 2 into 3 raised to the power 5. 2 into 3 raised to the power 5. So this means 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 5. Means this 5 would also go here, it would also go here. This is the fourth law. Okay, that the power, common power comes on both of them. It is the converse of the fourth law basically. So we can write this as 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 5. Very simple. Salman, got it? Abdul Rahman?
Yes, sir.
So now what we can write here? Complete करा? No, right? I have already left it here. The second one, 2 raised to 2a raised to the power 4. This means that 2 raised to the power 4 into a raised to the power 4. Very simple. This 4 would also go on 2. This 4 would also go on a. The third one is minus 4 minus 4m raised to the power 3. Minus 4m raised to the power 3. This 3 would also go on minus 4. This 3 would also go on m. So this is minus 4 raised to the power 3 into m raised to the power 3. Very simple. Got it, guys? Salman, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, write this down.
Done, sir.
Okay. Wait. Next one example. Example, I'll tell you. Abdul Rahman, when you're done, let me know. Okay, then I'll tell you example 9. Rahman, you are writing this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Salman.
sir, can you continue?
Rahman, are you done, bache?
No, sir, just 1 minute.
Then you can write this. I'll tell you example 9. Expand 3 by 5 raised to the power 4. Example 9. First part is expand 3 by 5 raised to the power 4. So, but again, this is the fifth law that common power would come on both of them. So 4 would also come on 3 and 4 would also come on 5. So 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 4. Simple. This one minus 5 minus 5, 4 by 5, 7 raised to the power 5 minus 4 by 7 raised to the power 5. This means minus 4 raised to the power 5 divided by 7 raised to the power 5. Clear, Salman?
Yes, sir.
Write this down. Example 10 we have. Okay, example 10 is important. Write this down, then I'll tell you. Example 10, okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I finished writing this.
Okay, great. When Salman will be done, we'll continue, okay? Your Salman done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Write exponential form for 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 taking base as 2. Now this is important. Example 10 we are going to do. We are given first of all 8 into 8 into 8 into 8, right? So I can write this as 8 raised to the power 4. I hope no one has doubts in this. Now see, guys, 8. Prime factorize 8. I have taught you prime factorization. We have practiced a lot. Prime factorize 8. So do this for 8. So this would go by 2. So 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. This is very simple, so I did it fast. So now 8 I can write as 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 2 raised to the power 3. So guys, can I write 8 as 2 raised to the power 3? Yes, I can. So here instead of 8, I am gonna write 2 raised to the power 3, because in the question they are saying taking base as 2. So we needed the base as 2. So we are writing 2 raised to the power 3 instead of 8 and then whole power 4. Okay, now applying the law. This is power on a power. Salman, what happens when there is a power on a power? In the law, what happens when there is a power on a power?
Sir, we will like 2 into 2 into 2. Then we will.
Tell me the trick. You have to apply the tricks always. The laws. The trick is powers would multiply. So 2 raised to the power 3 into 4. So that is 2 raised to the power 12. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So when there is a power on a power, we multiply the power. So it would be 3 into 4. I repeat it once again what I did in the question. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 was given. I write it as 8 raised to the power 4. Now they said taking base as 2. We need the base as 2. But we have the base as 8. How do we convert it to 2? But if prime factorize 8. So after prime factorizing 8, 8 is coming 2 into 2 into 2, which I can write as 2 raised to the power 3. So instead of 8, I wrote 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 4. So now this is a law, third law, in which when there is a power on a power, we multiply the power. So this is 2 raised to the power 3 into 4, and that is 12. So 2 raised to the power 12. Got it, Salman and Abdul Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Write this down.
Sir, this is important example 10.
Yes, Salman, this is very important example, as we will be doing this, like this would be used in further questions. Okay, like this is just a part of what we will be using in a questions, but this is important. You should know how to convert the basis, how to change the basis. This is important. You should know that. Okay, and we are going to practice that as well. That is why I took a lot of time. At least 2 to 3 classes I took only for this prime factorization, the LCM method. Why? Because I know that that is important. Once you learn that, you do the questions easily. Okay.
That's why it is a hard. It's hard.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, Salman. Abdurrahman, are you done writing this?
Just one moment, sir. I'm writing the factorization.
Okay.
Sir, finished.
Okay. Example 11. Simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. Okay. Uh, guys, can you try the part 2 of this? Give it a try. Part 2 of this question, give it a try. You have all the laws, right? Open the page where I taught you the laws, where you have written them. Okay, look at the laws, look at this question, try to do it. You have 5 minutes. Okay. Yes, guys, what is the update?
So doing.
See, this is 2 raised to the power 3
Now
into
I'm
raised
doing.
2 raised to the power. Okay, do it. Okay, guys, see. 2 raised to the power 3 into 2. 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to... How many parts are you doing, Salman?
Sir, only 1 minute, sir. Only 1 minute.
No, but you see, I have another class right now. I have to end this class also. See, bases are same and they are multiplying. So take the common base and add the powers. Take the common base. So base common, I am taking 2, add the powers. So 3 plus 2 plus 5. This is the first law. Very simple. So 2 raised to the power 5, 5 plus, that is 10. So this is 2 raised to the power 10. Got it? Easy? Salman?
Yes, sir.
Abdul Rahman, got
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes.
Okay, guys. So I'll see you in the next class then. We'll be continuing this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
bye.